Hi students, today the topic is how to compare the acidity of phenols and alcohols. Okay, so you know what is acids? Acids are substance that reacts with bases. Okay, so when it reacts with base, what happens? It donates protons. So we call whichever subspecies that donates protons, we call it as acids, isn't it? So like that, your alcohols also, okay, will react with bases such as what? For example, we can take sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or any base, okay, or electropositive metals also. Electropositive metals also, such as sodium, what it will do? It is going to donate protons. What it has done? It has donated protons. So it is an acid, isn't it? It donates proton while reacting with bases and or electropositive metals such as sodium. So it is an acid. Okay, so what makes this reaction happens? Okay, why it is happening? See, this proton, we always call it as acidic proton, right? In organic chemistry, we call it as acidic proton. So, what makes it acidic? Because it is due to the electronegative difference. Okay, En means electronegativity. So here the electronegativity of oxygen is what? Some 3.4 and this is 2.2. There is a huge electronegative difference. So this what makes this bond very weak, and when it treated with base, okay, so it donates, it easily cleaves, okay, it easily cleaves, and this hydrogen gives its electrons to the oxygen and come out as proton. This has no electron and RO minus. Okay, so this reaction is happening due to the huge electronegative difference between the oxygen and hydrogen, so that we call it as acidic protons. Okay, so here how to compare the acidity? How to compare the acidity? The faster this reaction is happening, the faster the proton is removed from any alcohol. If this reaction is very faster, this cleavage occurs very faster, we call it as the acidity is more. The acidity is more. So how to compare the acidity? Okay, they will give you a series of molecule and they will ask you which is least acidic, which is more acidic. So how to compare it? Now I am going to tell you the trick. See, the trick is, see, we are talking about alcohols, isn't it? So the lesser the electron, okay students, lesser the electron density, okay, on oxygen atom, okay, lesser the electron density on the oxygen atom, more, see this is, okay, more will be the acidity, more it will be acidic. That is the tendency to donate proton increases. Okay, so what is the trick, students? If the electron density decreases, okay, so if the electron density decreases, okay, acidity increases. Okay, so this is the trick we are going to follow. So how to know whether the electron density is decreasing or increasing? Okay, so we have to know the factors that affect electron density. Students, in my previous videos I have discussed how to find the inductive, minus I inductive effect groups and plus I inductive effect groups, and plus or resonance, minus or resonance, everything in detail. I will give the link in the description box. Please watch it, it will be worth. Okay, so after watching that, this will be easy for you. Okay, so here the factors affecting the electron density. So the groups with minus I effect, the groups that shows minus I inductive effect and minus R inductive effect. Okay, so I have written those are, okay, those will decrease the electron density. Those will decrease the electron density. So what will happen to the acidity? It will increase the acidity, okay, acidity of the alcohol or phenol. Okay students, it will increase the acidity. The electron density decreases, the acidity will increase. And the factors The groups that show positive inductive effect, you know what it is. Okay, so I'm not discussing, I have given a detailed description in my previous video. Okay, please watch it. So plus or resonance effect, so both positive and positive is going to increase the electron density. If it increase the electron density, what is going to happen? Basicity is going to increase. Basicity is going to increase, so the acidity is going to decrease. Okay, so this is the trick we are going to follow. So how we are going to do it? Okay, so first of all I will tell you, so what is alcohol and what is phenol? See, when the hydroxyl group is attached to any aliphatic alkyl group, we call it as alcohol, and when it is attached to the aromatic group, we call it as phenols. Okay, so here in alcohols I'm going to write a set of examples. You see this is what? This is methanol and this is ethanol. So as usual, we are going to compare the secondary, tertiary and the primary alcohols. So what is going to happen here? The methyl group is going to show plus I effect. So what happens here? The electron density increases, right? So here there are ethyl group has more plus I effect than the methyl. Okay, the electron density is going to increase more than this. See the level of the arrow mark. Okay, size of the arrow mark. Okay, so here two groups. Okay, it is going to increase electron density in oxygen furthermore. So here it is tertiary, so the electron density is going to increase more. So here, so for acidity, how it will be? The electron density should be less, right? The electron density should be less, but here the electron density increases in this order, so the acidity will be like this. So it is methyl, so the methyl group. Okay, then comes your primary, secondary and tertiary. This is the order of acidity. This is the order of acidity for your alcohols. Order of acidity for your alcohols. So when compared to the alcohols and phenols, and phenols, which is more acidic? Here the R group. So initially we need to recognize what kind of electronic effect it will show. So it is going to show plus I effect, so thereby what happens? The electron density is going to increase. But here we know that the electron density here is less because the lone pairs, the electrons are involved in resonance. Electron density is less due to resonance, right? So here the electron density has decreased because the lone pairs are involved in resonance. So here the electron density is less, so the acidity is phenol is more acidic than your alcohol. Okay, got it? Got the point? This is a very important point. So the phenols are very much acidic than your alcohols. Okay, so now we are going to compare the acidity of phenols. So aromatic system we are going to see in detail. Before going to the aromatic system, we need to know some important points. So what are they? So these are the important points you need to remember. Inductive effect, whether it is positive or negative, is going to decrease with distance. Okay, whether it is 1 bond distance, 2 bond distance, it is going to decrease with distance. Okay, so suppose if there be any group, this is known as meta group, right? This is ortho, meta, this is para. In meta position, no resonance or hyperconjugation takes place. Please remember, in meta position you should not take into account whether the resonance or hyperconjugation. Where suppose if a methoxy group is there, it is going to show plus R effect, but if it is situated in meta position, no resonance. If a methyl group is there, even though it can show hyperconjugation, if it is situated in meta position, no hyperconjugation. Okay, please remember, very very important. And only inductive effect is happening. Only inductive effect will take place at the meta position. Please remember this. And very important point, for any group except chlorine, the resonance, R is resonance, is more dominating than your hyperconjugation, than your inductive effect. For example, if you take methoxy group, it is going to show minus I effect and plus R effect. Okay, due to minus I effect, the electron density is going to decrease, and due to plus R resonance effect, the electron density is going to increase. So here take this rule, the resonance is going to dominate the inductive effect, so thereby these are in opposite sign, so the resonance is, after nullifying, still it is electron donating. Okay, right? Then for chlorine, inductive effect is more pronounced than your resonance. For chlorine, you know it is showing minus I inductive effect, and R effect is plus R since it has lone pairs. Okay, but due to the high electronegativity, due to chlorine belongs to halogen family, it is going to show high electronegativity. Due to this, okay, the electron density is going to decrease, and due to this, so here inductive effect is going to dominate. So these two are in opposite direction. So when it after if you take the net, the electron density, it is an electron withdrawing group. Okay, so please remember this. Okay, and for any group, the ortho and para position, any effect, resonance plus positive or negative, the magnitude will be equal. Okay, so ortho or para, the magnitude of the resonance, whether it is positive or negative, it is going to be equal. Please remember this. Okay, so let's solve some examples. Okay, this will be very interesting and useful also. Okay, so here they have asked, you have to compare the acidity between the paramethoxy phenol and paramethyl, the paracresol. Okay, so here what the electronic effects is going to decide whether the electron density is going to increase or decrease. Okay, so first of all, methoxy, what effect it is going to show, what inductive effect? Oxygen, carbon, when compared to carbon, oxygen is more electronegative, so it is minus I. Okay, then it has lone pair, so plus R, no hyperconjugation, right? So methyl, it is going to show plus I. Okay, then it is no resonance, methyl cannot show resonance, it is going to show hyperconjugation, right? So here, due to minus I effect, see here it is 3 bond distance away. Inductive effect decreases with distance, it is 3 bond distance away. So due to this minus I effect, the electron density is going to decrease a very little in magnitude. Okay, due to plus R effect, it has lone pairs, it is a very good donating group when you take resonance into consideration. So it is going to increase the electron density. These two, this ED means electron density, NED means net electron density. Okay, these two are in opposite direction, right? So after something get cancelled out, so see the size, something got cancelled out, still it is electron donating. Okay, so here this is plus I effect, and since it is 3 bond distance away, the effect will be less. So due to this, the effect is, due to this, the electron density is going to increase. Hyperconjugation is not dominating than resonance. Due to this, electron density is going to increase. So these will reinforce, but it is not greater than your resonance. Please remember that. So here, okay, see the size, compare the size. Okay, so this is a little increase in electron density, this is more increase in electron density for acidity. So here the paracresol is more acidic than your anisole. Okay, then nitro and chlorine. Okay, so nitro, what kind of this can show minus I effect and this plus R effect and no hyperconjugation, and this is what minus I effect and plus R effect and no hyperconjugation. This is minus R effect, minus R effect. So here it is 4 bond distance away, so it is going to decrease less, and minus R, it is going to decrease very less. So these are in same direction, going to reinforce, so it will be a huge loss in the electron density. It will pull, it is a very powerful electron withdrawing group than any other group. Okay, so chlorine, minus I effect, due to minus I effect, very little, because it is 3 bond distance away. Okay, and plus R, even though it has lone pair, it will not donate more. Okay, due to its high electronegativity, so it is going to increase, going to this is plus R effect, it is going to donate. After cancelling out, it is going to give a little bit. Okay, it is going to give little bit. So it is going to decrease in electron density. So nitro is more acidic. Okay, so here the orthomethoxy and orthonitro. And one more thing, there is no ortho effect in phenol. What is ortho effect? We saw ortho effect in aniline. Please remember that and please read. Okay, I'll give the link in description box. Okay, so here nitro group is what? Minus R, minus I, minus R. So due to this, the electron density is going to decrease. Minus R effect, net is very much decrease in electron density. Here methoxy, it is minus I. Okay, and this is what? Plus R. So what happens? Minus I and the ortho effect is one bond distance, so it is going to decrease, and plus R effect, it is going to increase. These two are in opposite direction after nullifying. So this decrease. So here. Okay, so here this is an important question. It was once asked in a board exam question. So students, please press the pass button. Try to answer this question. Okay, please be genuine. Okay, please press the pass button, try to answer, and then click for the answer. Okay, so students, hope you tried. I'm going to solve it now. So here I have written the groups: paramethyl, metanitro, and for phenol it is hydrogen. Hydrogen, no electronic effects, right? So the electron density is no change. So it is no change. NC means no change. Okay, students. So here the paramethyl group. So methyl. So what kind of electronic effect? Plus I effect and no resonance and hyperconjugation, right? And nitro, it is minus R, and in meta position there is no resonance. Okay, please remember that. And hyperconjugation, no hyperconjugation. And paranitro, minus I and minus R and no hyperconjugation. So please don't confuse yourself. Okay, follow me carefully. That's all. So due to plus I effect, it is for inductive effect, we have to take the distance. If it is in para position, the effect will be less because it is 3 bond distance away. So it is going to increase. Okay, not that so much, but okay. Hyperconjugation is a weaker effect than resonance. It is going to increase only, but not that much. Okay, then minus I effect, it is what? 2 bond distance away. It is going to decrease, but okay, not considerably as though in ortho position. And that is the only effect takes place. No other effect, no resonance or no hyperconjugation. Okay, so here the net effect will be what? So a little bit more after reinforcing. Okay, same direction. So here it is going to decrease. Here minus I effect, and it is in 3 bond distance away, but it is going to decrease. Minus R, it is in para position, it is going to decrease so much. It is a powerful electron withdrawing group. Okay, so these two are in same direction, it will reinforce. So the net effect is what? Decrease, a little decrease, increase. Okay, this is no change, right? So what will come? So here for para, acidity will be more because it has decreased considerably. Then comes your metanitro. Okay, so paranitro, then comes your metanitro, and it is increasing but no change in phenol. So then comes your phenol. Okay, and at last it is your paramethyl or paracresol. Okay, students, so this is your answer. So like this you have to solve it systematically. Don't confuse yourself. Please watch the video once again if you don't understand and try to solve problems. Okay, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.